Taho story. They innovated how they serve taho. Imagine taho, tapos may ice cream, tapos may fresh fruits. Wow, grabe. So, great innovation, great concept.
Oh, favorite kong strawberry. So, wow.
Kakaiba din no? Halo ng mainit, tapos biglang may malamig sa ibabaw. Kakaiba, no?
Super unexpected for taho kasi mostly kapag sinabi natin taho, it's hot. Pero ngayon parang mas nagkaroon ng flavor.
This reminds me of Baguio Taho. Yung may strawberry. Yan, ito. So, thank you for bringing this here.